Hello everyone and welcome to Dara's Cuisine official YouTube channel. Today I will cook with you one of my favorite meal, FATTET باذنجان or eggplant fateh. This is a Middle Eastern meal. I hope you will like it. So first thing, after I wash of course the eggplant, I just peel it as you see. Keep always some of the skin. This is prevent the eggplant not to fall apart while we are frying. So now I will just cut the eggplant. As you see, we wanted to cut it into cubes. So we just get it like that, and again into small cubes. Good to add a little bit of salt. And the second thing for this meal, we have the pita bread. As you see, I cut it into small cubes as well. Have the tomato. Make sure to peel the tomato. So try to choose the right tomatoes because it gives a nice sourness to the sauce. Cut the tomatoes into small pieces. And then we have one nice large onion. We just cut it into half. And now we want to cut it into thin slices. Every time I cut the onion, I have a tear in my eyes. So I hope it's not happening today for me. So now we grab another onion, but this time this onion will be added to the minced meat. So this will be cut into fine chopped pieces. Now we add the oil to the saucepan. It heat up for maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Now we can add the bread, maybe 1 to 2 minutes. Just one thing we'd like to mention, that some people who like it to be more healthy, you can bake it in the oven, either the bread or even the eggplant, but this is take a longer time to be in the oven. See, this is the nice brown golden color for the bread. I put it on a kitchen paper. So now I add a little bit more vegetable oil, and we'll add the eggplant. 6 to 7 minutes. You will see until it gets a very nice golden brown color. While we're still cooking or frying the eggplant, we'll start preparing the tomato sauce. So in a saucepan, I have a little bit of vegetable oil. Wait until the oil is hot enough. You can add the onion. We leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the tomatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. Add a little bit of salt. Of course, the salt and the pepper always to taste. We give it a good stir. 4 minutes. I will add 1 cup water, and we just reduce the heat on a medium heat for 10 minutes. We cover it for 10 minutes. Now after almost 10 minutes, as you see, the eggplant is golden brown. I put it on a kitchen paper. So I'll add maybe 1 tablespoon only of vegetable oil. I have the chopped onion. Be sauteed for 2 minutes. That's it. I will add the meat and you mix it well. A pinch of 7 spices, a salt, and pepper. And we leave it for maybe 7 minutes to 8 minutes until the meat is cooked. The white sauce have almost 250 grams of yogurt. I will add to this maybe 1 and a half of tablespoon of tahini, and I have 1 garlic. Again, just with half a lemon, just mix it all. With a little bit of salt. The mixture is thick, so we will add little by little of water. It is ready, and as you see, it's runny consistency. This is how it should be. Now the meat is ready. As you see, it took almost 10 minutes, and the tomato sauce is ready as well. And now let us assemble our fateh. So we have the bread. Just want to mention one thing. Make sure to assemble the fateh or to combine everything just before serving. Otherwise, it will be a little bit mushy. The bread, the tomatoes, and the onion. A nice layer of both. The eggplant. Add the yogurt sauce. Come the meat, nice and tasty with the meat Now we'll garnish this with paprika, pomegranate, molasses, and the final touch will be adding the little bit of pine nuts, handful of pine nuts with a little bit of vegetable oil, just toasted until it gets nice brown golden color. Add the pines on top. Okay, a little bit only of the oil, and it's ready now. And I can tell you the smell. So I hope the taste is good as it looks. So let me take a small bite. It's so good, so tasty. I hope you will like it. Bon appetit, everyone.